Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm a Accountable Goddess. Like, comment, share, subscribe. If you wish, if you like, if you want to. It's free. It doesn't cost a thing to like, comment, share, subscribe. But do it at your own pace. Do it at your own free will. Turn on post notifications so you know each time I drop and upload a video. I appreciate all the love and support. Thanks again for tuning in with me for another video. For today's topic, subject title is going to be titled Being Scapegoated. It's hard to put back the pieces of your life. Being the scapegoat as a young child is very detrimental. It's detrimental for your mental health, your mental well-being. It's emotional abuse. It's psychological abuse. It's verbal abuse. It's mental abuse. Being scapegoated by a parent that is a narcissist. A narcissistic parent. They make you the scapegoat. They put all the family problems on you. All the family problems and burdens. They put it straight onto you. They blame you for everything. And it's not your fault. Your parents and your family, all of them had issues and was dysfunctional before you were born. But being with a parent that is a narcissist, it's like they put you down because these kinds of parents are insecure. Something happened in their childhood and they take it out on you. Some kind of trauma happened to them when they were young. Something happened. Mark my words. Something happened. And they got some kind of insecurities about themselves. They think less of themselves. So they got to find a child to make less than them. Narcissistic mothers and fathers, they try to be in competition with their child or their children. And it's sick. A parent in competition with a child or children is sick. It's sad. But they want to be better than their children. They're jealous of their children. These parents that are narcissists are very jealous and envious of their children. And I mean, why put all the blame on your child? As a parent, you brought your child into this world. Your child did not ask to be born. Your child did not have a say so in being born. They did not ask you to make them. They did not ask to be born. You made that child. You created that child. At the making and creating that child, you then make them a scapegoat, a black sheep. You insult them. You put them down. You put them down all the time. You try to make them be self-conscious and feel bad about themselves. All because really, you as a parent that is a narcissist, you feel bad about yourself. Deep down inside, you really is self-conscious and got a complex about yourself. And these parents that is narcissists are arrogant. They are so arrogant, so prideful and vain. They're prideful and vain, arrogant, but deep down, deep on the inside, they are very insecure and they have low self-esteem. But making you a scapegoat as a young child, always putting you down, insulting you, always cracking jokes on you, always making you feel like you're dumb, stupid, like you can't do nothing good enough. Always making you feel like you're slow. You're not smart enough. You can never do nothing right. That stays in you until your adulthood. As an adult, you doubt yourself. You don't trust yourself. You don't think that you can make good decisions for yourself. And you struggle with being independent and being a responsible adult. You struggle with social anxiety. You struggle with making friends. You struggle with trusting people. You're not good at socializing, at gathering, at mingling, talking, and communicating with others. Because you always fear that you're going to meet a narcissist to be in a relationship with. You fear that you're going to meet a boyfriend, a girlfriend, a wife, a husband, a spouse that is a narcissist. You think that as a scapegoat, you think that all your friends is going to be narcissists. You fear that your friends and spouse is going to scapegoat you like your parent did. You fear and worry that your spouse, your boyfriend or girlfriend, or your friends is going to be narcissists and make you the scapegoat like your parent did, or like your siblings, or like your family did. And so, as scapegoated, I was a scapegoat out of my siblings and family. I was scapegoated, and I struggle. I'm an adult. I'm 37 years old, and I still struggle with making decisions. I don't really trust myself. I don't totally trust myself that I can make the right decisions. A lot of times, I'm not independent as I should be. I doubt myself, and it comes from my mother scapegoating me as a young child. It comes it comes from my mother scapegoating me as a young child, all through my teenage years, and as an adult, and she still scapegoat me now. It comes from her always putting me down, insulting me, always cracking mean jokes on me, always making me feel self-conscious and have a complex about myself that I'm not good enough. I'm not intelligent enough. I'm not smart enough to make it on my own. She gave me those feelings that I'm not smart enough to make it on my own as an adult. She instilled those feelings in me that I'm not smart enough to make it on my own as an adult. I cannot be a responsible adult that can get stability and be stable on my own. She made me feel like I don't have a stable mind. Her scapegoating me got me feeling and thinking that I do not have a stable mind. I'm not totally stable minded. Yeah, so I'm still trying to put the pieces of my life back together. But as I stated in the beginning of my video, being scapegoated, it's hard to put the pieces back together of your life. It's hard. It is so hard.